Nag-record ka na. Hey. Yan, nag-record ka na bro. Ito. Ayun. Nag-record ka. Rinig tayo eh. Rinig. Hello guys. Today guys, we are hinaan mo yan para marinig. Pag malakas yung game, pinaka-low mo para marinig tayo ng chat. Guys, we are playing Rivals. He is lagging. I'm lagging, guys. Wait a minute. Wait, chat. He is gay, guys. I'm not gay, bro. Do not like and subscribe. No, like and subscribe. Please lag. Today guys, we are playing Rivals. He is lagging. Blah, blah. Oh no. I'm not lagging, guys. My twin brother is a criminal. Bro, I am not his twin brother. I'm his cousin. He's a dumbass. I'm not his cousin. You are on the Sensei team. I'm not Sensei team. What the? Baka meron ganito. Hindi, para makita lang nila. Recording. Chat, walang gusto maki-1v1. Magwa-1v1 na lang ako. Ba't gusto? Ano? Tagalog ba sila? Nobody wants to 1v1. I am his translator. He does not know how to speak English. No, I'm not. I know speak to English. See, what is that grammar right now? It's not grammar. It's English, bro. He's stupid. I'm not stupid. You are the stupid. Arena chat, Arena. He does not know how to knife. He's the worst knife player. Hey, yo. I'm the good of the knife. I can 5-0 him with knife. He just RPG spam. I'm not RPG spam, guys. Look at this crosshair. It is so buns. It's not buns. What the hell was that? Hey, that's what I taught you, right? I'm not. Di ba tinuro ko yan sa'yo? No, bro. You not taught me that. Tinuro ko talaga yan sa'yo. You not taught me that. Okay, tignan. He not taught me that, guys. I taught him that. Wait lang. No, you put one here. Broke video with fist. Nah, I'm gonna default, guys. Default? Nah, that's not default. No doubt. Nah, this default loadout, bro. You are a dumb. Default. Yeah, and I taught him that, but bro missed. Bro got knife. Bro. He's a stupid knee. Nah, I'm done playing, guys. I'm gonna beat him up. Like a kid. What the? Hey, you Satchel. Satchel is the best for knife. Come here, bro. Back up. Oh no. I can clip the... Bro got clipped. No RPG spam. You are a spammer if you use RPG. Nah, I'm scratching out for this. Bro has burst and knife. Worst loadout in the world. The thing is dead, bro, guys. His crosshair is so buns. Is that buns, guys? Knife him. What is that? Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? So, bro got no scope. Bro gonna get 5-0'd? Question mark? Bro's gonna get 5-0'd? No, chat. What do you I'm gonna lock it now. Bro gonna get 5-0'd. Come back for the team. 5-0'd. 5-0'd by the stupid me. Get 5-0'd. Get 5-0'd. Yeah, bro got 5-0'd. Ay, alisin mo to. Paano alisin to? Huwag mo ilagay delete mo yan, bro. Yung record na yan. Okay. Delete mo yan. Yung record na yan. Delete mo yan.